to get away. We were golden turning blue. I thought you could see it too. Through our hands it slipped away. We were never here to stay. We were so wild and free. We were just kids.
Good morning, beautiful people! We are super grateful to be able to wake up in beautiful places like this one.
Before going on today's adventure, we would like to give you an update about our beloved truck camper Lucky LeAw. Lucky LeAw is still in Argentina. We haven't abandoned him, we didn't sell him. He's still parked on the same private property where we left him when we need to evacuate Argentina and return back to Italy.
Many of you asked us about the TIP, meaning Temporary Importation Permit. Every foreign country you enter in, they will give you a TIP, Temporary Importation Permit. It's like a visa on your passport. For Argentina, we received 240 days, 8 months TIP, and it would or it will expire in November. But
it is possible to suspend your TIP, so nobody will be able to confiscate your vehicle or give you a fine. And this is possible due to the extraordinary worldwide situation of the pandemic of the COVID-19. We did a lot of researches in order to avoid any kind of issue, and with the help of some local Argentinian friends, we contacted the aduana in Buenos Aires.
you need to send to the aduana all the papers, the documents of the vehicle, the TIP, and you need to give them an address of a private property where the vehicle is standing and the vehicle is not moving. So the officers of the aduana can go there, check that the vehicle is there, that nobody is using the vehicle, that is on a private property, and check the VIN number, the plates, and the TIP documents to see that match. And basically that's it. They will suspend your TIP just like that. When the borders will be opening again and we will be able to return to Argentina, they will restart our TIP, so we will be able to exit the country.
Besides the TIP suspension, there is another solution, that is shipping your vehicle back to your own country. And you can do this even without the need to go physically travel back to Argentina. There are some companies that are doing this service, like our friend Christian from Anden Roads, offering this service. You need to provide the documentation, to sign some papers, and they will take care of it.
Sending Lucky LeAw back to Italy is not an option for us because in order to be able to drive Lucky LeAw in Italy, you need a special driving license. With the driving license that everybody has, you only can drive till vehicles heavy 3.5 tons. If the weight of the vehicle is higher than that, and Lucky LeAw is 5 tons, you will need this special driving license. And plus, as you saw in our previous videos here in Italy, the roads are really narrow, and the fuel, it's super expensive, and Lucky LeAw drinks a lot of fuel. So this is not a good option for us. Being Italy our resident country and Lucky LeAw having a Canadian plate, we would be forced to import Lucky LeAw in Italy, and doing so would be super expensive. We made so many modifications to the truck and to the camper that probably will not be able to drive on the road. It will be illegal to drive on the road with the European and Italian code, with the laws that we have here in Italy.
Our dream is to send Lucky LeAw back where he belongs, to North America. But we don't have neither the residence in Canada nor in the United States, so it's not possible for us in this moment to ship Lucky LeAw back to North America. but we hope that we can do it in the future. We don't know, but we hope that. It would be a ro-ro shipping, so it would be quite expensive because we don't fit in a container, as you probably may know. So finger crossed, but for the moment Lucky LeAw is safe and we are always keeping an eye on him. In order to communicate with the officers and with people in Argentina, we have to practice our Spanish almost every day.
Speaking multiple languages, we know that when you stop using a language, you can easily forget it and you start losing the vocabulary.
For that reason, we have been using a learning language software, Rosetta Stone, which is also the sponsor of today's video, so we won't lose our language skills.
Learning a new language is not easy, but Rosetta Stone offers you all the tools to help you reach your goals and speak with confidence in your new language.
You can choose between different languages. Thanks to the speech recognition software, you will speak in your new language from lesson 1 and you can learn anytime, anywhere, on desktop, mobile and tablet. If you want to give Rosetta Stone a try and yourself a try, click the unique link in the description below our video to get great discounts on all their monthly subscriptions. You can also get unlimited access to the app for only $199. It allows you to learn as many languages as you want with only one account. Plus, once you have Rosetta Stone, you have it for life.
The secret, no surprise, is consistently using the language so it's always fresh in your mind.
Of course, you can come up with some lazy excuses why this is not possible, but the truth is that there is always a way to speak and to use those languages. You can read newspapers online, you can watch movies, listen to podcasts, and using the help of a learning language software like Rosetta Stone.
We feel more confident to speak with Spanish-speaking people in Spanish, of course.
Yeah, so we are taking care of Lucky LeAw even if he is far from us.
Thousands of kilometers
yes,
far away.
But we will meet Lucky LeAw again in the future, for sure. But now, let's get ready for today's adventure.
Let's go.
Time to see this beautiful sea from another perspective.
From the sea.
Let's go on a boat tour with Sea Salento.
It's time to jump on the boat. Excited. Here there were some nobles that built these amazing huge villas and for the wife or the daughters of these nobles, in order to swim in the sea, they built this little bagnarola. It was for these girls or women not to be seen when they were swimming and not to get a sunburn because at that age more you were white and more you were like noble. Only the people that were working in the field were tan.
This that you can see behind me is the lighthouse of Santa Maria di Leonca. We are in Salento, the hill of Italy, of Puglia. Here basically is where it's not here, it's in Otranto, but here is also common to say that the two seas, they are joining, the Adriatic Sea and the Ionian Sea together.
Here it's really dry, like now it's about 90 days that it's not raining.
We are entering this cave. Wow.
This cave is called Grotta di Terra and during the winter it's called also Grotta Fumarola. This cave is called Grotta Del Indiani, so it's like Indian cave because the shape is like a tent, a teepee tent, and it's over 50 meters deep, 25 meters high.
This cave is called the Seagulls Cave because in the winter time the seagulls come here to seek protection because it's the only cave we have that it's protected from the wind. It's really deep. The red color you see is the iron that is present in the rock itself.
Cassiopeia.
Michele has a jellyfish, a Cassiopeia in his hand. It doesn't burn. It didn't burn his hand. That cave is called Il Soffio, that in English is kind of the blow. You can swim inside and it gets bigger inside. So let's try, let's go.
We are inside the cave. Wow. Amazing. Let's get Sara to get inside here. Going to grab her. Let's go. Sara is here.
Yeah, I made it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I was super scared.
I want a kiss. Come. Let's go outside. Let's go. It's a little bit scary.
The water here is so salty that you can almost not move.
Float.
And, yeah, you're floating because you're not going down, and it's incredible. But that entrance in that cave was so scary. It was so claustrophobic. Intense.
I have to say that, as Sara said, it was claustrophobic and intense, but I'm really proud of her for coming inside and kissing me inside that cave. Now what we will do, we will enter this cave from the right, go all through and come out from the left.
Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you so much.
Let's go. Explore new cave. A ring, yes. Are you ready to jump and get out of the cave?
Yeah, can't wait.
Okay. And now we are going on the other side. We will leave the Adriatic Sea and we will go on the Ionio Sea.
This is Punta Ristola. It's the most southern tip of Puglia.
There is a cave,
Yeah, it's called the Devil Cave.
la Grotta del Diavolo,
Yeah.
because with the waves and the air it makes some noise, weird noises. The fishermen, they believed that there was a devil in there. Captain Michele. A little tuna. Bye bye tuna, we'll release it. Here in the Salento region area, there are no rivers. There is only underground kind of rivers. It's like in Mexico, in the Yucatan Peninsula. And back there, where you can see all that green color, is the fresh water, natural fresh water coming from the underground of the Salento. The Dragon Cave. The fishermen, they say that is kind of a dragon.
Perché ho solo una pesca.
Non si alza l'acqua, vero? Non si alza l'acqua per noi.
No, guarda, che si portavo qua dentro, È come stare sul bagnoscino di una semplice stanzetta. Guarda, vieni, ferma qua. Guarda qua il passaggio dell'acqua dolce, guarda. Vedi? Questa è tutta l'acqua dolce. Vedi questa roccia qui.
Fresh water. Guys, this is crazy. How do you feel? Okay.
Claustrophobic, a little bit.
We are trapped inside a cave.
We are back here in the port of Santa Maria di Leonca. Our captain Michele is right there.
You will be able to come here to Salento. It's a nice way to know also all the caves and to see the Salento area from another perspective.
We'll take a quick shower,
Thank you so much to Sea Salento, thank you Michele, thank you Serena. And now it's time to go back to Luigi.
And here we are back in our teeny tiny, small, little, mini van Luigi.
Today it was incredible and challenging at the same time. I overcome one of my fear that is not water, but it's being trapped underwater in a cave. We have seen so many YouTube videos, you know, the one of close to death compilation.
Epic fail compilation.
Yeah, and there is always one person that is stuck underwater in a cave, and I just watching I couldn't breathe. So imagine doing this, but I'm really happy that I overcome this fear and I found the bravery to do this, and it was really, really great. When you are living the experience first person, it's completely different. And I was about to freaking out today, but I made it. What about you?
Yeah, it was kind of scary, but I had a lot of fun. It was like being in an amusement park on a roller coaster without knowing what it will happen. A really huge rush of adrenaline. I love it.
Yeah, but the amusement park was completely natural.
Yeah, 100% natural.
The Italian words for today's video are
Grotta,
cave,
paura,
fear,
coraggio.
bravery or courage.
Grotta,
Cave,
paura,
fear,
coraggio.
bravery or courage.
Thanks again to Rosetta Stone for sponsoring today's video.
Click the unique link in the description box below our video so you can take advantage of all their offers. We love you guys, we appreciate you. Thank you for coming along with us, and stay with us because we will show you a lot of other hidden jewels of Italy.
If you like the video, please show it to us smashing the big thumbs up button.
Hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video of this amazing, incredible Italian van life series, and please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done already.
And remember, la vita è bella.
Life is beautiful.
See you on the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.